Are you a real estate investor looking for funding for your next project? Or maybe you're an entrepreneur in need of capital to start your own business. In either case, you might have heard of something called a private lender. A private lender, also known as a hard money lender or private money lender, is an individual or group of individuals who lend money to individuals or businesses, usually secured by real estate. Private lenders can be more flexible than traditional lenders and may offer faster approval and funding times. They also may be more willing to work with borrowers who have less than perfect credit or who don't meet the strict criteria of traditional lenders. However, private lenders also typically charge higher interest rates and fees than traditional lenders and may require more collateral to secure the loan. So, if you're considering working with a private lender, it's important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks and to thoroughly research the lender and the terms and conditions of the loan before agreeing to anything. And that's it for this one. Hopefully you learned something and watch the next.